Ladies and gentlemen, I greet you all. It's FX Go to your mentor. $100 movement. We are killing it right now. You see, the signal was sent. NZD. We are killing it even right now. We are killing it right now. We are killing it right now. Look at this entry. Woo! Look at this entry. We are killing it right now. NZD. We are killing it right now. $100 movement. We are killing it right now. That was the second entry. The first entry was just let me just go to 4 hours. The first entry we're just there down there. The second entries are just here. We are killing it right now. No one is better than us. No one is better than us. It's effort goes your mentor. Let's keep on killing. Let's keep on killing. NZD. Method. West. Yo, method.
Hi everyone, FS Go Jomento guys, FS Go Jomento. This week we locked in 4,000 USD and we're still running profits. You can see we have trades running. We are still pushing towards the downside. We're still trying to push. As you can see guys, we have entered our trades. We are milking the markets. We are milking the markets. The market is still pushing guys. Trades entered. Now it's time to eat guys. We are not playing with these markets. We are not playing with this broker. FS Go Jomento. Yes. Evans got giveaway coming out tomorrow, guys. We are releasing our first song on God. Stay tuned, stay blessed. Yes, sir. Hi there, everyone. This is FS Go Jomento, guys. FS Go Jomento. This week we clocked in 5,000 USD and we still have running profits of 5,000. The market is still pushing towards the downside. As you can see, guys, we are still pushing towards the downside. Euro OD signal was sent and we are all milking, guys. We are all milking. As you can see, guys, we are still pushing. Trades put in. Everybody is eating, guys. Everybody is eating. Everybody's go Jomento. We are milking the markets. We are milking the markets, guys. 5,000 running profits, 5,000 clocked profits, 100,000 account, 6,000 currently running, guys. We are still going, guys. FS Go Jomento.